Here is my almond now. Okay, I take all the skin out, the water. Okay, is the coconut. We were soaking already for maybe 20 minutes, you know, in hot water. So now it's cold. I'm going to pour my almond in it.
We are seeing those feels like temperatures inch up as we head throughout the afternoon, and it's going to continue throughout the week. Check out Hollywood Beach right now, where it's 88 degrees, and that humidity is feeling like 93. We've got those winds out of the southeast, driving the moisture off the Atlantic. And check out our two comments, any other recommendations or comments
Okay,
about
for
that.
my
About this breaking news story beginning at 4 o'clock. Support
like I said, it's 2 cups of almond. I need for 1 cup I need 3 cups of water, so that will be 6 cups of water. This already have almost 3 cups. Okay, I'm just going to add 1 more cup. 1 more cup. Okay, 1 more cup because I cannot put too much water in this. And the other 2 cups, when I finish, I will rinse the more with it so I can make my coconut milk. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to set it up. Okay, now is on raw juice. I put it to start. This is my coconut milk. I'm going to let it rest. It's very cold. I'm going to put a piece of paper on it for this to keep it on. Let it cool completely before put it in the fridge.